guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to fly Aeromexico. The first stop was the KLM lounge at IAH. So basically you can get in with a priority pass, but they weren't allowing priority pass people. You had to have a business class ticket or first class, and so we were able to get in. It was really quiet. Everything was self-served. The only thing that wasn't was the drinks. Everything was free. Now we are going into the plane, and honestly the food is not as good as United food. I'm used to having like a hot meal on United. Here we didn't. Now here is the MXN lounge. It is Salon Premiere. This also allowed everyone in here. So you can have a priority pass, you can have business class, you can have regular economy. You just need a business class, but you have to pay for the food. So here's a menu. If you don't pay for the food, you have kind of regular food items, which was really stale and not very good. The temperature was checked by just touching their hand, so that wasn't really good. Here's on the blanket. Only reason why we flew Aeromexico because it was operated by Delta, and this is the only one that had non-stop to Mexico City. You can see the seats weren't that big and there was no entertainment. Ooh, and what was yours? The club sandwich?
Oh, we got this go nuts. No, those are go nuts.
Go nuts.
But I like how they put the napkin down, as well as give you a nice cut sandwich.
Ooh.
Smells like chilaquiles.
They taste like what?
Chewy cardboard.
Yeah.
As a restaurateur travels, I'm gonna judge this Aeromexico club sandwich for you. It was made fresh 2 days ago. Seriously, guys. It tastes like chewy cardboard, Petro and Mexico, okay? I don't know, but I'm hungry, so nice beer in this, wash it down. So guys, flying on Aeromexico, there's no rules. In American Airlines, United, American, whatever, any kind of U.S. airline, the seats have to go up, airplane mode, everything. Over here, this lady's seat was been back the whole time. They don't even check if our seatbelts check, nothing.
No.
I could swear some guy was sitting on the toilet seat during takeoff. That's how crazy it is. There's no rules at all. Okay? So you want to fly without rules, Aeromexico is the way to go.
But it's safety though, right? It's
Safety.
safe. It's safe on this flight.
The airplane is Brazilian made. It's an Embraer, so they have a really good safety record. Maybe that's why they don't care about the seat belts or your airplane mode or anything else. I mean, you could be sitting in the aisle and it's fine with them as long as you're there. The plane is safe, but I don't know about the food. Okay, so food safety, forget about it. Like I said, this sandwich was made fresh 2 days ago. Corona's good though.